Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Julius Nyerere 100th birth anniversary. Today, that is April 13, marks the birth anniversary of one of Africa's most respected figures, Julius Nyerere. PM Modi has paid tribute to the great leader and friend of India. This year, that is 2022, marks the 100th birth anniversary of Julius Nyerere. Nyerere's principles of unity and equality are as relevant today as ever. Known as Mwalimu or a teacher, he had a vision of education that was rich with possibility. Now, information about Julius Kambarage Nyerere or Mwalimu Nyerere. April 13, 1922, he was born in Butiama near Lake Victoria. In 1954, he founded the Tanganyika African National Union or TANU. In 1955, he addressed the Trusteeship Council of the United Nations. In 1956, he addressed the Committee of the United Nations General Assembly. In 1957, he was nominated as the TANU member for Tanganyika in the Legislative Council but resigned in the protest at its lack of progress. In 1958, he was re-elected as the Eastern Province member. In 1960, he was appointed Chief Minister of the Tanganyika Republic. In 1961, he became Prime Minister of the Tanganyika Republic. In 1962, he became President of the Tanganyika Republic. In 1964, he became President of Tanzania, announcing the introduction of a one-party system of government. Subsequently, he was re-elected at regular intervals with a substantial majority on each occasion. In 1985, he gave up the presidency but remained as chair of the party Chama Cha Mapinduzi or CCM. In 1990, he relinquished his chairmanship of CCM. In 1996, he was the chief mediator in the Burundi conflict. On October 14, 1999, he died at a hospital in London. He was the author of several publications on Ujamaa socialism. He also translated several Shakespeare plays into Swahili. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.